Hello guys, welcome to your channel Top 3 Tech. Today in this video we will see top 3 best budget laptops under 50,000. So let's get started. Guys, our first laptop is Lenovo IdeaPad S145. It has 15.6-inch FHD display. It contains Intel i5 10th generation. You will find RAM up to 8 GB and storage of 1 TB HDD. It includes Windows 10 and 180° of flexibility. Now guys, here is the summary of this laptop. Guys, don't forget to check the description. Now it's time for our second laptop. It is Asus VivoBook 14. It has 14-inch Full HD display screen. Also contains Intel i5 10th generation. You can find a RAM up to 8 GB and a storage of 1 TB HDD plus 256 GB SSD. You can find installed Windows 10. It also contains fingerprint scanner for fast login in. Now it's time for please check the description to get the direct buying links of these laptops. And finally, here comes our third laptop. It is MI Notebook 14. It contains 14-inch screen size display. It has Intel i5 10th generation. It has RAM up to 8 GB and SSD of 512 GB, which makes your laptop very fast. It contains Windows 10 Home Edition and very lightweight. Now begins the summary. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel.